The first camping trip of the year. First time in the new camper. I'm getting ready to get everything finished, loaded up, and we're gonna make our way out to Lake Vesuvius. We are the first ones in the campground. They actually opened it up early for us.
This is wood.
When I have a turn, she's gonna go with the purple jacket.
Davo, you haven't practiced yet.
Ooh, I gotta get up here a little bit.
So much weight, and all of a sudden one side will come down and all the weight will come off of it. They're real pliable, rubbery, they'll fold right up. Like these, they get cold and stiff, you know.
Yeah.
These you just wrap them right up.
Because we're just a bunch of haters, you know.
I know.
Yeah, green, or not a green, but a llama.
Hey dear Sarah, happy birthday to you. Well, the first night camping was a success. Just getting used to this camper, a little bit different than a tent that we were used to, or hammocks, figuring out how to turn everything on, how to use everything, get everything so it's not all crazy. It took a little bit of learning. Thankfully we had Johnny, and he listened in the class when we bought the campers. But we got it now. I think we're getting it figured out. So we got a fun day ahead. We had a great evening last night. Had Clint and Tess out with the kids, and they all had a blast. We have some stuff planned. We're gonna head down the trail that we have back here. We got the rock house down by the lake. So we should have a fun day ahead of us. So we'll see.
What are you doing over here? This is one of my favorite places in the whole park. Whoa. Look at all that space. I want to go down there. Really?
Yeah. Got some hard money. Got cars as well. Watch where you're walking. There's a big bear right there in front of you.